my last video, I showed you how I created a digital product and started selling it online for 10 days. That video went viral. Thousands of you watched it, and many of you commented asking questions like, which website did you use? Can you show the dashboard of sales? Can you explain the marketing strategy in detail? And my favorite one, is this real or just a money-making video? Today, I'm answering everything. No hiding, no skipping details. This is the full strategy, step by step, with real results. And if you follow this process, you can start earning money too, without selling anything fake and without complicated skills or big investment. Let me be very clear from the beginning. I didn't wake up one morning and suddenly make thousands of dollars. I tested, I failed, I tried again, and then the results finally came in. And what shocked me was how quickly things changed once the right audience saw the right product. So let's begin from the very start, the moment I decided what product I was going to sell. I didn't create a course or a huge training program. I didn't build a giant ebook. My product was simple, a digital tool that solves a very specific problem. Because the secret to selling digital products is not about being fancy, it's about solving a real struggle people feel every single day. Once I had the idea finalized, I built the product using AI tools fast, simple, professional. Then I hosted the product on a platform where people can instantly purchase and download it without me handling anything manually. Many of you asked in the comments, which website did you use for the sales page? So here is the truth. You can use any trusted platform like Gumroad, Payhip, or Shopify, but I personally used a marketplace that automatically delivers the product after the payment. That saved me time and stress and helped build trust with customers. Now let's talk about the dashboard, the proof. Yes, the sales were real customers, real payments, real downloads. And the reason I didn't show the dashboard in the first video wasn't because I was hiding anything, it was simply because I wanted to show the full picture in this part. On the very first day, I made only one sale. It was small, just a few dollars, but that single sale gave me confidence. Then on day 2, I made 2 sales, still small, but then the magic happened. Video views started climbing, comments started flooding in, and strangers people I had never met were buying. Day 4, day 5, day 6, every day I saw that number go up. By the end of the 10-day experiment, I had crossed the first $200 profit mark. It wasn't $10,000, but it was real. It was proof. And most importantly, it was just the beginning. Now, the most important part you want to know. How did I promote the product? Here is the complete marketing strategy. I didn't run ads. I didn't beg anyone to buy. I didn't spam social media with random links. Instead, I created one piece of content that answered a burning question people were already searching for. That content acted like a magnet, pulling the exact audience who needed the digital product. The key was providing value first. People watched the content, learned something useful, trusted me, and then naturally clicked the link to check out the product. It was the simplest form of marketing help first, earn later. Some of you asked, can I do this using only my smartphone? The answer is yes, and not just yes, many people are already doing it. Every step in this method can be done on a phone. Creating the digital product, designing the cover, uploading to a website, creating content, replying to customers, all of it. If your phone has internet, you already have everything you need to begin. No excuses. Let's talk mindset for a moment. I want to be honest here. There were moments when I thought, maybe this won't work, but I pushed through. If your goal is to earn online, this strategy gives you the most opportunity with the least risk. You build once, you earn over and over. A digital product can be sold 10 times or 10,000 times, the effort is the same. That is the beauty of digital income. Something surprising happened around day 7. People who bought the product started leaving positive feedback. They shared it with others. Suddenly, I wasn't the only one promoting it.
In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sell ebooks on Gumroad. So Gumroad is this e-commerce platform right here, and you can sell basically anything on this platform. And if we go to gumroad.com, you can see how there are some ebooks at the main page. So you might be wondering how you can start this business too. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. The first thing you need to do is create your own account. You can click this button and click start selling again, and this will bring you to the sign up page. In my case, I have an account already, so I'm gonna log now. After that, you will be right here on your dashboard. Here you can see all my activity, but you will have nothing right here. So to start selling, you can go at the left bar and click on products, and then go to the top right and click new product. Now here you will see different options you can choose depending on what you want to sell. For example, you can choose a digital product, a tutorial, and
Happy customers became my silent marketing team, and that's when my confidence tripled. The experiment turned into a real business, not big yet, but real and profitable. Many of you said, please explain the strategy deeply so we can do the same, and that's why I made this video. So let me break it down one more time in a simple flow. Create a product that solves a real problem. Upload it to a platform that automatically delivers it. Create helpful content that attracts the right audience. Give them real value first. Provide a link for them to learn more. Watch what happens next. Improve, repeat, scale. That's it. It might sound too simple, but that's because successful strategies are usually simple. Complicated ones look smart but fail fast. Simple ones look boring but make money quietly.
price, and it's recommended to do more than $10. So let's say I want to pay $10 for this ebook, and here you will also see all the attributes that you have added. So I'm gonna add it to the cart, and that's basically it. Now customers will need to put their email address right here to receive the product. This is the pricing, and Gumroad knows I'm the owner of this product, so it says that this will be a test purchase, so I won't be charged, but I won't do it anyways. You just need to add your email address and pay, and that's basically it. And finally, the last few things you need to know if you want to start this business on this platform are that if you go to your product list, you can always click the name of your product if you want to make any changes or edit basically anything in your product. So I'm gonna click my ebook. This is my test ebook.
If you stay consistent, your results will grow every week. And maybe one day, not long from now, you'll wake up and see a notification saying, you made a sale while you were sleeping. That message changes your life forever. Now, I want to address the biggest question. Is this real? Yes. 100% yes. My dashboard proves it. My customers prove it, and your results will prove it too if you commit. Making money online isn't magic. It's not luck. It's a skill. And once you have the skill, nobody can take it away from you. You can start again and again and again with a new product, a new niche, a new audience. That is what financial freedom looks like. Before we end, let me say one thing clearly. I'm not promising you success without effort. You will have to create. You will have to test. You will have to show up when nobody is watching. But if you take this strategy seriously, if you treat it like a business and not a game, then $200 can become $2,000. And $2,000 can become more than you ever imagined. The best part? It all starts with one tiny decision: to begin. So here is my challenge for you. For the next 10 days, try what I just showed you. Yes, you. Create one digital product, upload it, make one piece of helpful content, put the link in your bio, and see what happens. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Your first sale is closer than you think. Now I want to hear from you again. What should I test next? Should I try selling for 30 days and document every sale? Should I create a new product live on camera? Should I show you the full setup on a smartphone? Comment below and tell me. I read everything and I listen to you. This channel is here because of you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to AI Explorer and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Because in the next video, I'll show you how to scale this strategy and grow your digital income even faster step by step, just like you asked. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and thank you for believing in this journey. The digital world is full of opportunities now. It's your turn to explore them. So, what are you waiting for? Your first sale is waiting for you, and I'll see you in the next video.